Hey everyone, I'm Carl with Centurion Pro. Today I'm excited to be doing an unboxing video for our HP1 bucker model. HP refers to high performance and represents our workhorse line of buckers. It's available in single and triple workstation options. The high production value of this machine results in the industry's highest buck rate per hour. The HP bucker model utilizes two rollers that pull the stem inside the machine, thereby popping the flowers off the stems. This allows you to continuously feed the bucker, resulting in a more efficient destemming process. Without further ado, let's get to it. So we just covered the unboxing and assembly of your HP1 bucker. Now, it's important to visit our website and register your warranty within 30 days of purchase. If you have any remaining questions related to unboxing or assembly that we didn't cover in this video, please reach out to us at techsupport@cprosolutions.com. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel for other great videos to help streamline your operation, make the most of your bucker purchase. In our next video, we're going to take a closer look at your HP bucker, its key components and electrical requirements, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching and happy harvest.